Hey guys, welcome back to the dollhouse. This video is going to be a pre-party ponytail install. A few house rules before we get started. Hit the like button, talk back or comment respectfully, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. If you're here watching, you may as well join the dollhouse. We always have something good jumping off. Here we go. Okay, so I got the Capri crinkle ponytail, and this is the way that it came. Yeah, that's a better view, huh? The packaging was very informative. It told a lot about the product. It showed the hair, and then it just kind of talked about the extensions, and showed before and after pictures, and also it came banded inside the packaging like this, and then there's your hair. Nice quality hair. I really like it. It's really nice. And they also included a storage bag for your ponytail and some hairpins and a hair tie. And so this is what the storage bag looks like that you put your ponytail in after you take it out. And then this is the hair out of the packaging. There's the strip for wrapping, and then your one comb to secure the ponytail. It's 26 inches. So what I decided to do, since it's hot now in Texas, I decided that I would just go ahead and braid the hair, because I didn't want a long, since it's 26 inches, a long bushy ponytail in the heat. So I just kind of mounted it under my monitor, and I braided it loosely, not really tight, all the way to, I won't say all the way to the end. I kind of stopped at a quarter length, and I put a hair tie to tie that off, because I like to leave a pretty good amount like hanging at the bottom. I just something I like, my personal preference, but that's what I did. So I just secured the braid with the hair tie, and then I will kind of spread it out a little bit to make it fuller so it won't look thin. And this is my braid. So I'm gonna get ready to install the braid, and I'm gonna start by inserting the comb right underneath the very top part of where I put my hair up in a small bun. And then I secured the little piece at the end with a hairpin and began the wrap around process. So this is a really quick, easy 5 minutes and you're done. Super cute hairdo. I know that there's spring break going on. States are starting to open up, so people are going to be out and about everywhere. Just y'all be careful, guys, and keep your doggone mask on. I don't want to say if you care, but if you care, keep your mask on. Yeah, but this is the finished product, guys. I was very proud. I love it. Super cute, guys. So yeah, Pretty Pony, the Capri.
H-time. Oh, they be mad, red in the face when they see you doing good. They don't like it, they be hating how I made it out the hood.
When I would say, cause my lip popping. And goodbye. Period. I mean it.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Click the link below to order and use my discount code +size doll 20 to get 20% off your total purchase from Pretty Party.